Hi, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sail and Ski, coming to you from the back of this beautiful Sea Ray Sundancer 350, and I'm here to deliver you your very next video newsletter. We do have a couple of seminars coming up. The first is a boater safety class on August 24th at our Austin location, and then a boat maintenance seminar in San Antonio on September 14th. There are also other classes on the schedule, so check out our events calendar on our website to find the class nearest to you. Next is our In the Water Boat Show at Hurst Harbor Marina on Lake Travis, September 13th through the 15th. This is the best way to see boats in their natural habitat. Summer never ends around here, so if you are exploring your boating options, the Lake Travis In the Water Boat Show is an excellent way to do that. We are officially 1 week away from the opening of Barrel Boss registration. We cap registration at 50 riders, so we will fill up. So mark your calendars. If you want to compete in this contest, you're definitely going to want to sign up as soon as you can. So stay up to date with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel or following us on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, this is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.